It's very, very important that after every class we go through all what we are doing. It refreshes your memory and you don't have to struggle during the next class.
So, Mr. Ono, do you think it's
Okay.
possible to use IntelliJ IDEA to program a calculator software?
There's nothing you cannot use it to do. Remember, the IntelliJ idea is for you to write your codes.
So you can make a calculator with it?
Yeah, you can write
The
the
software
code within
for a
Oh.
calculator.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see someone is thinking about doing something already.
Yeah, it's a science fair project for me. I mean,
Yeah, that is awesome.
yeah, we decided to program something since we're learning programming to test
Yeah.
our knowledge on what we know and what we are learning.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, is it okay if we run into any problems and we can't find the solution? Is it okay if we meet you?
Sure, no problem.
Okay.
So last class we were able to write our first program, and there are a lot of things that were there that we actually ignored for the time being. So things like the class, okay, the class statement, things like the method statement, right? Then the command, we're actually writing command to just tell our IntelliJ what to do and to output it on the screen. So today we are going to be breaking everything down. Remember, if you don't understand the basic, there's no how you probably take off and know what happens later. Okay, and understanding is key. It's not about cramming. You have to understand what is happening so that even if they wake you 12 a.m. or wherever, you can explain what is happening. You don't cram codes. It's all right. When you understand how it works, you can like now be creative and come up with a lot of things. It's all right. So good evening, guys, once again. So in the last class, we were able to write our first program, which actually prints some string on our console, and we're able to like do a whole lot of things like combine different strings, and we're able to print different lines of text also. So we'll be building on what we've done, right? All right. So today we'll be going a step further. We'll actually be learning what programs are and what commands are. All right. Now, if you can recall, a program is a set of commands. Okay, first you execute the first command, then the second, then the third, and so on. Remember when we were writing the system out, system.out.println, then the code inside, right? That is an example of a command. Now, when you have several of these commands with your method and your class, they constitute what is called a program.
A code.
A program. Okay, so once all the commands are executed, the program is finished. Remember when you click play or run, there's kind of something that is being run at the background, but it's trying to tell you that it's compiling and it loads on your IntelliJ. If you look at the bottom part of your screen, right? So that is just the program running. So what kind of commands are there? Right, there are several kinds of command, but the ones I've seen of late is the one that prints text on our screen. Is that right? So programs written in Java are executed by the Java virtual machine, right? Remember when we made mention of the Java virtual machine, all right? So what is the Java virtual machine? It's actually the environment where our Java programs are executed, all right? Remember we did this in our first class where we look at JDK, and within the JDK, it has the JRE, and within the JRE, we have the what? JVM. Is that right? So the JVM is a special program that knows how to execute programs written in what? Java.